artists! Today, we're drawing not one, but 3 heroes from Huntrix. First, there's Rumi. She's calm, graceful, and always chooses the light. Her dances shine like magic on stage. Then comes Zoey, fun, powerful, and full of energy. She leaps into every adventure with a smile. And finally, Mira, brave, focused, and always ready for action. Her strength inspires the whole team. Together, Rumi, Zoey, and Mira make Huntrix unstoppable. Grab your pencils, follow my lines, and let's bring these heroes to life. When you use colors, feel free and explore. There are no limits. Make it your own. Don't be afraid of your lines. Let them flow across the page. One line will always guide the next. Every stroke is a step in your story. And that story is yours to tell, with art. And here's a little secret. Don't just see art on paper. Start to see everything as a drawing. Look at nature like a painting. See the animals. See the people around you. And imagine them on your page. Art is everywhere, if you look with your artist's eyes. And that's our drawing of Rumi, Zoey, and Mira. I hope you enjoyed creating these magical K-pop heroes with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It makes me super happy. And make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next character from Huntrix. You can also check out my Huntrix playlist, full of other heroes waiting to be drawn. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye!